Burping babies has long been seen as crucial for releasing trapped air and reducing spit up. However, recent studies challenge this belief, suggesting burping may not be as necessary as once thought. In fact, forcing burps could disrupt a baby's sleep pattern and increase nighttime awakenings. Studies show that babies naturally burp as they change positions, and burping may even increase spit-up occurrences. Rather than focusing on burping, parents should pay attention to individual cues and let babies burp naturally. Embracing a more relaxed approach to burping can lead to better sleep and a happier baby-parent experience.